Giishkaandago'ikwe Health Services is a multifaceted, accredited organization with a diversity of programs and services. Our mandate is to provide the highest quality holistic health care service to our Anishinaabe people. Our vision is Minoyawan, which means good health. Our mission as to a center of excellence and a leader in innovative healthcare is guided by the 7 grandfather teachings of the Anishinaabe: inspired knowledge, strength, and empowerment for the purpose of lifelong good health. We work closely with our communities, partners, and funders to improve the health and wellness of our clients and communities. By providing a wide range of services within one agency, we truly enable client, family, and community-centered care.
I'm Deirdre O'Sullivan-Drimbolis, and I am the Director of Health Services for Giishkaandago'ikwe Health Services. So I've been blessed to have been able to work within this organization since 2017, providing those physiotherapy services within the First Nation communities with the youth. And an opportunity came up to transition from frontline staff work to become the Director of Health Services. And I jumped at that opportunity because I've had such a really good frontline career, and I just really wanted to ensure that other folks got the same opportunities to really have that good career and that good interaction, and then feeling like they could make a difference in people's lives.
I'm Carol Easton, and I'm a community health nurse, and I've been working at Fort Frances Tribal Area Health Services for 10 years, and I've been in the community health role for 5 years. I love my job. When I walk into community, they're so excited to see me. They're like, "Oh, the nurse is here. Hi, Carol." Everyone says hi to me. Like, they know if I have to drive a different vehicle. It's exciting. Like, they have so much respect when I go there. It's great. You know, I've worked in Emerge and done that sort of thing where patients have been so much as even calling you names and that sort of thing, and even asking what I know or where's the doctor, that sort of thing. Whereas when you work in community health, they just want to hear what you have to say.
When you're working within healthcare, it's a hard space to work in, a hard space to not suffer burnout, and I think one of the most important ways to ensure that doesn't happen is to find an organization whose values really align with your own. That is the feeling that I have working here at Giishkaandago'ikwe. The 7 grandfather teachings really are just that foundation for being a good human. One of the things that I appreciate the most about working here is that we do work really hard to try and live those values in our everyday life.
Like, our organization is really great. Obviously, I've been there for 10 years, and we have great role models and managers and lots of support and training, and I just love working here.
There's a lot of opportunities for things outside of work. I like to run, that's probably my favorite. Our area just has so many opportunities, whether it's, you know, stuff in the summertime where you're out on the lake, doing different things at the beautiful beaches, you know, hiking some trails, to even in the winter, which I think some people might be afraid of being up here, but there's honestly tons of things to do.
I like the small community. I like the feeling of really feeling safe and knowing who your neighbors are, and, you know, knowing that my son's growing up in a good community, and you know, still being able to have the opportunity to, you know, play hockey, and still being able to play sports, and you go to the arena or you go to the store and you still know who people are.
I feel like this is a really great place to live and to work and to just be, and it's just so important, I think, to have those outlets to be able to renew yourself, especially if you're working in a healthcare field, just to make sure that you are having those opportunities. And again, it's about building connection, right? It's about building connection with yourself, with your family, with your loved ones, and with nature.
I'm a friendly person, and there's lots of other people like me in Fort Frances. I'd be the first person to welcome you to the community, show you around, and to make sure that you feel at home in your new hometown of Fort Frances.